Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen we are going to make some delicious vegetable beef soup. It is that time of year, guys, where soups are definitely in season and you want to eat something hearty. So let's go. Alright guys, the first thing I'm doing to make my delicious vegetable beef soup is brown my ground beef. I have 1 pound of ground beef in my skillet here. I added in about 1.5 cups of chopped sweet Vidalia onion. And I'm only saying that amount because I did use a nice sized onion that I did chop up and I used all of it. So I'm guessing, like I said, about 1.5 cups. So now I'm adding in my seasonings, going in with my Cajun seasoning, my house seasoning, some oregano, some sazon, some of everything, guys, okay, that I got in here. This is just what I like to add in my soups because I like them to be flavorful. So now I added in about a tablespoon of minced garlic, and we're going to give that a good mix and let our ground beef continue to brown. So now that it's fully done, I did get the paper towels to get all of the excess grease out of there, and I did that off camera, okay? So now I'm adding in my veggies, my mixed veggies. Now these are frozen. That's a 2-pound bag of mixed vegetables that I'm adding in there. And believe it or not, guys, I actually ran out of potatoes, but I did have canned potatoes, so I got 2 of those in there that I did rinse and strain, okay? So potatoes are potatoes, in my opinion. So I got those in there, and for my tomato sauce, I am using that right there. Yes, guys, I don't know if you ever use V8 juice to make your vegetable beef soup with, but trust me when I say huge difference from using regular tomato sauce, in my opinion. Huge difference. So if you want to try it, I definitely highly recommend it. So now I'm adding in a large can of crushed tomatoes, okay, because we are making soup and why not. So I did get that huge 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes in there. And we're just going to let this come to a simmer. Just give it a good mix and just let it come to a simmer. Now, the total cook time for this soup was about 45 minutes, okay? Because I did cook it a little higher than what it should have been. But again, guys, it's vegetable beef soup and it don't take that long to cook. So, yeah, I let it cook for about 45 minutes total cook time, and it turned out beautiful. And I actually made some honey muffins to go with this using Jiffy Mix, and instead of sugar that you would normally add in there, because I like a sweeter cornbread, I went in with honey and it turned out perfect. So that is truly it for my video of me showing you of how to make delicious vegetable beef soup. If you enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Later.